Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you guys, a summer haul. I'm so excited because I don't know if you guys remember my last video, my last haul. I was saying how I went shopping because I wanted some summery clothes, but I didn't find anything. So I finally went back with my sister and we went shopping, and I found some clothes, like, you know, a little bit of like shirts, not really pants, so it's mostly tops, which I don't mind because I always wear leggings anyways because it's so comfortable. Yeah, so I went to two different stores, and I'm just gonna show you what I got. So first, me and my sister, we went shopping to Sirens. We have like, they have a warehouse. Nothing is more than $10, so everything's on sale. Whatever you see, nothing is more than $10. Even the shoes, jewelry, like clothes, jeans, even the coats. Like, they had a few coats from like last season. Of course, it's like clothes from seasons before. They don't have any new stuff from Sirens, but honestly, it's really good prices. So the first item that I got is kind of a top like this, and like the sleeves are a bit like flared out like this, just like this. It doesn't go too far down, and also like the material is like really light. It's not like the sweater I have on right now, which I don't know why I'm wearing it because it's so hot right now. Yeah, so it's just black. They have different colors. They have yellow, they have pink, they have a whole bunch of colors, and this one was only $7.50. Like, it's really nice. So the second item I got from Sirens is a bodysuit. So this is what it looks like. This one too, they had white, they had like olive color, they didn't have gray, they had like a blush pink color. The only thing is, like, if you guys want to see the back, it's like this, so you can't wear a bra with it. For me, I have like really small boobs, so it's not a problem for me, but I do wish like I had a bit of, like, I don't know, a bit of padding or something, but I mean, not a big problem, honestly. I just wanted another bodysuit, and this one was $10. Next, I got a pair of jeans. I always wanted jeans like that, but I could never like get some because I didn't know where to find them. So this one was just lying there. It was the only one left, and I wasn't even sure it was my size, so I just took it. I didn't even try it on in the store. I just went home, tried it on, and it fits perfectly. It's like crazy. So it's basically like this. It's like cargo pants, olive color, like this, and then the bottom, it has an elastic here. So I'm a size 3 in this one. I don't know if you guys can find it. Like I said, like, for me it was the last one, but you know, just to give you ideas to what you can wear during the summer. Honestly, I'm gonna wear it whenever, even during the winter. And this one was $9.98, and it's also really stretch. So next, after that, we went to H&M. So actually, like, we have an H&M near us, but the thing is, it's being renovated, so the whole summer is gonna be closed. So we had to drive all the way, not downtown, but you know, it was at least like 25 minutes away from where we live. We're like, oh, do we take a chance? We're like, okay, so we just took a chance, and I actually found a lot of clothes. So we mainly wanted to go there for H&M. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you everything that I got. The first item I got is a t-shirt. You guys are gonna see it in my next video. And by the way, also this makeup look, it's gonna be my next video. So if you guys wanna see how I made this like golden makeup look, you guys can just stick around and look at my next video. So this is the first shirt I got. It says California. It's just a really nice, like really thin t-shirt for the summer. I just wanted some color, and I actually hate yellow. Like, I hate the color yellow. If you guys can, like, I hate yellow and I hate orange. Those are two colors I hate. I think it doesn't go with anything, and I think it's just so bright and just hurt my eyes. okay, so I'm just saying. But I really wanted a golden shirt, a yellow shirt, just because I don't know, I just wanted it to be like different, because everybody's like wearing yellow now, and I actually think it looks good on other people. It's just for me, I hate it on me. So that's why I just got a t-shirt, and guys, it was only $7, so I can't really go wrong with that. It fits a bit weird because it has those like here it's like really open, and then here you have like this part and then it falls, so it kind of fits weird. So I just put it all to shoulder and it looks cute. Like I said, it was only $7.50. No, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. It was $7. Okay, so the next stuff I got is just like a shirt like this. So it doesn't have any sleeves or anything, it's sleeveless, but it looks like a shirt, and then it goes all the way down like this. I actually have a black one like this, but the material is like transparent and everything. This one is more like put together, more sturdy, I would say, or something like that. And yeah, so it's just a nice shirt for every day, and I actually like those kind of materials, almost like silk, but it's not silk, of course, because it doesn't stick to you when it's really hot outside, and it's really like flowy, and you know, it just like you feel like the breeze coming out and everything, so it doesn't stick to you, and it's just like you don't get hot with this kind of material. That's why I really like it. And also it was only $15, and I am a size 4 in it. Next I got, this one was a sweater, but every time I would go to H&M I would see it, and I always thought it was too expensive, so now I saw it in the sales rack, and I was like, you know what, I have to try it. And it looks really cute. It's kind of a blush mauve tone color. It's a bit distressed, you guys can see, like here and here, it's really distressed. Yeah, so it's really long. It goes almost all the way to my knees. This one is more like a sweater, but I would say, like, you know, those like cold summer nights, sometimes it's a bit chilly, you can always just pop this one on, because it's not too hot, but it's not too cold either. And this one was $10. So like I said, like everyone would see it, it's 40 bucks. See, actually 40 bucks, and it was reduced to $10. And yeah, I'm a size X small, because this one is actually, it runs really big, so it's meant to be like an oversized sweater. And then next I just got 2 t-shirts. I thought they were meant to be like t-shirt dresses, but they're not, and those 2 items weren't on sale, but they're only $12.99, and I took X small. So it's just like short sleeve t-shirts like this, and it goes all the way past my ass. But that's the thing, when I tried it, I don't know, when I put it up like this, it goes all the way, almost all the way to my knees, and then when I put it on, it goes like right up above my like at my ass. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's just not a t-shirt dress, but I'm just gonna wear it with like leggings for like a really comfortable look, almost like when you just want to wear like joggings and everything, but it's hot, so you just wear a t-shirt like this. And I got it in olive also, like this, because I'm feeling olive. I think it's really nice on me. Look, don't you love it? I think it's really nice like this. That's all we got. So basically I saved $50 of everything. So yeah, if you guys want to go, they have their summer sale, so they have a bunch of racks that are on sale right now. So it's really up to you if you guys want to go and check it out. And also, like, I love the basic section, because you guys know I'm basic and this is what I like. So like I said, if you guys want to see this makeup look, it's gonna be my next video, so stick around for that. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.